What's the meaning of contrabassoon? Contrabassoon. Contrabassoon.
Contrabassoon. Contrabassoon. Contrabassoon is a musical instrument that belongs to the woodwind family and is known for its deep, rich sound. It is also commonly referred to as the double bassoon, due to its similar appearance to the regular bassoon but larger size and lower range. The contrabassoon is typically used in orchestral music to provide a powerful and resonant bass line, and is often featured in dramatic, expressive passages. Its deep, complex timbre can add depth and texture to any musical arrangement, making it a valuable addition to any orchestra or ensemble.